getting to know your psoas, really important because it's one of the more influential muscles in our body. It's a long muscle that attaches at 22 different places along the spine, basically running from your mid-back down through to the inside of the leg and attaches your lower half to your upper half. But it does way more than that. And so the degree of openness or strength of your psoas affects how your low back feels, it affects how your hips feel, it affects the placement of your ribs, like whether they're pushing out or not, it affects how tall you can stand, and so your alignment. So it's really important in terms of your body. And so knowing what's going on with your psoas can be really helpful. One of the ways you can do that is using our Talasana variation. So sit on your buttocks with your hands just a few inches back of your sacrum. Start with your feet flat on the floor, legs bent, and then lift your chest up so you lengthen the distance between your navel and your sternum. And then deep inhale, lift the feet up without collapsing. And if that feels pretty easy to you, then work with the legs straight. Take a deep inhale, separate the legs, and then lengthen up. Exhale, cross the right leg on top. And then deep inhale, separate the legs, lift the chest up without pushing it out, and exhale the left leg on top. And keep going back and forth, feeling for which side, which leg is more challenging for you to cross over. That's the side that your psoas is weaker on. If you were working with your legs bent and you could feel that one side was weaker than the other, try doing it with your legs straight and see if there's a difference. And if there is a difference, then you know that there's an imbalance between the two sides of your psoas. And so most likely there's also an imbalance in your hips, or maybe in your low back, where one side of your low back is tighter or more painful than the other. And so the way to resolve the imbalance is to work asymmetrically by strengthening the weaker psoas, which is what we do in class.